Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today I want to talk about cleaning your glass. Now, a lot of people always ask me, man, how do you clean your glass so it's streak-free? Um, my thing I always say is it's the towel you use. You know what I'm saying? It's all about that, really. Because people use like those wipes. You know what I'm saying? They just take it and wipe off the inside of the windshield. It's always streaky for them. They don't like that. So I'm trying to show you guys how to clean your windshield properly so you don't have streaks. Mainly the inside, we're definitely going to do the outside because that's important too, because bugs, summertime, you want that cleaned up so you have good vision, better for the road, better for your safety too as well. So let's get into how we're going to clean this up. Alright, so let's get into what I'm going to use for this. So I'm going to be using from AutoFiber. It's called the Reacher. Alright, you can see right there. So what I used to use is the invisible glass. Let's see, that one. And this is nice because, you know, it was decent, you know, for the time. And it just swivels back and forth, you know, kind of just do whatever. And it comes with 2 microfiber waffle weave little towels here. See if you can get that focused in. Yeah, there you go. And that's all it was. And it's not bad. It's not bad at all. I still like using it from time to time. So this new one here is a little bit different. So this is it right here, and it's got a little foam here, so it's got some thickness to it, which is nice. And then it also, like the other one, it just kind of flops. This one, it kind of stays in this area, so you can kind of just move it, and then you'll kind of hear it stay in that position, you know what I'm saying? So it goes this way, and then it goes all the way this way. So, yeah, it doesn't really flop around, so that's kind of nice. And then also, has a hook in there. Then it also comes with an extension too, with another hook area. So all you want to do is just twist that together, and then you have 15 inches. So then you can kind of get in the back area, because that's more of my struggle. The windshield isn't that bad for me. It's always the back, especially with cars. You know, to really stuff that in there and clean in the back area, which is nice. So yeah, here you go. And then also you can get 3 of these. I already used one, but so this is really nice because you can flip this around, you know, inside out, and then you have a whole nother clean section, you know what I'm saying? So that's really cool. So your first one is your twisted loop. So this will be your first initial cleaning or wiping. And then afterwards you got the smooth side right here. And this will be like your buff off, your secondary. So what you want to do when you're cleaning windows, you want to make sure the first initial clean is the best you can do. All right, take your time on it, make sure it's all clean. So then your secondary wipe will be super easy, and then it's clean. No, you know, streak free. It's all good to go. Because if you don't clean your first initial one good, your second initial wipe, you might still have dirt and all that stuff on the window, and then you're kind of just rubbing around and still, you know, it has streaks and stuff. So you want to make sure your initial wipe is done. So then all you gotta do is just stuff this in there, right in there, and then you start scrubbing away. So especially too, if you are kind of short and you can't reach the top, you can use this to kind of get the top areas that you can't reach. You know what I'm saying? So, so let's get into the video and how we're gonna do this. All right, before I get into cleaning the window, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the outside first, and then I'm gonna clean the inside, because I think, you know, I want to do the outside because it's normally more dirty. So then the inside, you know, when it's clean on the outside, when you do the inside, you can kind of see where it is, the dirtiness in the inside of the vehicle, because sometimes it is kind of harder to see. So what I'm going to do for the outside, I'm going to use, this is called, what is this called? Bug scrubber from the Rag company. So it has microfiber side on this side and like a scrubbing side here. I like to use this for the bugs because it is kind of difficult to take off, so this makes it more easier. And I'm just gonna use just like a regular glass cleaner. And this is ammonia safe. I believe this is the PNS line. I can't think of the name, but I'll have all the links down below so you know what I'm using. So now let's get into it. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a tip, which I didn't do in this video, but if you're cleaning your outside, then your inside. So your outside, you can go left to right when you're cleaning it, wiping it down. And then on the inside, you can go up and down, or vice versa. Just so you know, if there's a streak, you know which way it's going. You know what I'm saying? So if you're going left and right and you have a streak that's going left to right, then you know it's the outside. If you're going up and down the inside and the streak's up and down, then you know it's the inside. So there you go. Yo. All right. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to clean the inside. And I already flipped this over because the outside, I already flipped it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spray some cleaner on this side. And I'm just going to move it up and down. Until I feel like this is clean. And like I said, make sure your initial clean is really good. So take your time on it, you know what I'm saying? Make sure it's all good. So then, when you're doing your secondary clean, we'll flip it over. Now this smoother side, it does get kind of like grabby. So make sure you just kind of put some pressure in there. So then you have a streak-free finish. And that's all you gotta do, clean your glass. Streak-free. So I hope you guys liked the video, and hope you guys subscribe to my channel, help a brother out and grow, and I'll see you on the next one. Catch you later.